Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If you're trying to print a document from Microsoft Edge and keep getting a frustrating printer configuration error, I will show you exactly how to bypass this glitch and fix your printer settings right now. Let's get started. First, the easiest way to immediately bypass this Edge-specific error is to use the standard Windows print menu instead of the browser's built-in preview screen. Simply open the web page or PDF you want to print, and instead of clicking the normal print icon, press Ctrl Shift and P on your keyboard all at the same time. This forces the System Print dialog box to open, allowing you to select your printer and print your document perfectly without relying on Edge's buggy configuration. Next, if you want the standard Edge print button to work normally again, we need to clear out the corrupted browser data causing the error. Open Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner, and select Settings. Click on Privacy, Search, and Services on the left panel, scroll down to Clear Browsing Data, and click Choose What to Clear. Make sure cached images and files and cookies are checked, hit Clear Now, and then restart your browser. Finally, if Edge is still refusing to connect to your printer, the issue might be with your core Windows print spooler or drivers. Click your Windows search bar, type Troubleshoot Settings, and open the menu from the results. Click on Other Troubleshooters, find the Printer option, and hit Run. Windows will actively scan your system to automatically detect and fix any underlying configuration errors or driver conflicts that are blocking Microsoft Edge from successfully communicating with your printer. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.